Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to my channel Cambridge Companion. So today we will do Cambridge ASNA level, um, May June 2024 variant 12. So we left with the question number 14. Now we are starting with question number 15. The question number 15 is the gas Q decomposes slowly at a room temperature. Okay, the products are X and the Z. Okay. This is the Boltzmann distribution curve of the for the gas Q at room temperature shown. Which change occurs when a catalyst is added to the gas Q? All- We all know that the peak of the curve moves to the right on the diagram. No. The number of the particles with enough energy to decompose increases. It would be likely the answer. The option is the kinetic energy of the unreacted particles increases. Uh, the value of the E8 decreases moving the vertical dotted line to the right on the diagram. So I think B is the answer. The number of the particles have enough energy to uh, decompose increases. This is the right answer. Okay, we all know that. Now move to the next part. Uh, which statement is correct? Aluminum chloride has a giant ionic lattice of uh, Al3 and Cl ions, and sodium dissolves in the water, forming the hydrogen, chlorine, sodium. Okay, the strong covalent bond in the silicon. Uh, Chloride prevent it from the reacting to water. Okay, when the phosphorus chloride is added to the water, the resulting solution conducts electricity. Uh, when the phosphorus 5 chloride is added to the water, I think D is the answer from the 16. Yes, D is the answer. So move to the next part. Just saying that uh, uh, here we need a calculation. So a mixture of the calcium carbonate and calcium nitrate, strontium carbonate, and strontium nitrate is thermally decomposed. The decomposition reaction of the each substance goes to the completion. Okay, each substance is anhydrous. How many different products are formed? So uh, first of all, we check for the calcium carbonate. Okay, CaCO3. Yes, to the. Wait a minute. Yes, carbonate is CaCO3. It must uh, give the calcium oxide and calcium oxide and carbon dioxide because it is a carbonate. Okay, Yes. So what about calcium nitrate? Mm, calcium. Calcium nitrate. It will give uh, calcium oxide, which is CaO, CaO plus um, nitrogen dioxide, uh, and oxygen to the strontium carbonate. Okay, strontium carbonate, which gives strontium oxide plus carbon dioxide because it's a carbonate, and strontium nitrate, which give strontium oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. So we have just I'm not balancing the equation here because we don't need it for this question. Uh, we just you know just because they are asking how many different products are forms. Different products. Okay. So this one, two different. So this is I'm not counting this because I have found already here one, two, three, four, um, five. Yes, five because we already counted NO2 and CO2, so we have five. So P is the right answer. Okay, so move to the next part of the question, which is W is a solid that heats or reacts with the water to produce an alkaline solution. Okay, solid that reacts with the water to produce an alkaline solution. The addition of the two drops of the dilute to this alkaline solution produces a white PPT. What could be the identifier of the solid W? Um, Magnesium hydroxide, magnesium oxide, um, phosphorus oxide, dilute dilute sulfuric acid, and solid W uh, gives a white. So it's likely to be the barium oxide. C is the answer. Yes. And move to the next part of the question. Chlorine gas is reacted with the cold aqueous sodium hydroxide. Which statement is correct for this reaction? Okay, chlorine gas is reacted with the cold aqueous sodium hydroxide. Chlorine is both oxidized and reduced gas. It can be happen when chlorine is reacted with the sodium hydroxide gas exactly. And chlorine is neither no, this is not the B is not be the answer. Chlorine is oxidized but not reduced. Chlorine is reduced. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Yes, option A, chlorine can be both oxidized and reduced. So move to the next part. The sodium is added to water to form a solution Y. The pH of the solution Y is measured. When a powdered substance of the X is added to the Y, the pH falls. It means the which two compounds could each be the substance X. So HCl and um, magnesium chloride, aluminum peroxide, and magnesium chloride, K2O, NaCl. It should be the B. No. B, C. No. C. D. There's no D. I think A. Oh, yes. A. Yes. Magnesium chloride and aluminum. Yes, this is the answer. So move to the next part. The table shows the statement about some of properties of the halogens and their compound and explanation for these properties. Which row shows the correct statement about the property and the correct explanation for the statement? Okay, iodine is a solid at room temperature, and II bond is its strength is high. No, the explanation. No. Because II has exists a simple molecular and it can be break easily. So low energy is needed. So option A is not correct. Um, the decomposition of the hydrogen iodide is more endothermic than the decomposition of hydrogen. No way. Uh, Chlorine is more reactive. Chlorine has stronger bonds, and chlorine is more reactive than the iodine. No. This is not B. Could not be the answer. When chlorine is bubbled into a gaseous potassium iodide, a purple solution is seen because chlorine is a stronger oxidizing agent. This is not the case. When the concentrated sulfuric acid is added to the solid potassium iodide, purple vapor is seen. Iodide ions are being oxidized to the iodide. Yes, could be the answer, and this is the answer. D is the answer. All right. So, students, there is question number 15 till question number 21. The next video I will uh, do more 5 to 10 questions. So please like my video and subscribe my channel Cambridge Companion. So we will meet in the next video with some other questions of these MCQs. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.